2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners BMW G310 GS. In the expansive world of motorcycles, the 2024 BMW G310 GS stands out as a top-tier choice for beginners, seamlessly combining adventure capability, agility, and accessibility. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those venturing into the world of riding, the G310 GS exemplifies BMW Motorrad's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an ideal blend of learning-friendly features and versatile adventure performance. In 2024, the G310 GS continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, exploration, and the joy of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels. 1. Adventure-ready design with BMW elegance. The BMW G310 GS boasts an adventure-ready design that seamlessly blends with BMW's signature elegance. With its purposeful styling, upright riding position, and distinctive features like the beak-shaped front fender, the G310 GS exudes a bold presence that appeals to riders looking for a versatile motorcycle ready to tackle both city streets and off-road trails. BMW's meticulous attention to design ensures that the G310 GS not only provides an adventure-ready appearance but also stands out as a sophisticated and refined companion for riders embracing exploration. 2. Potent and efficient single-cylinder engine. At the heart of the G310 GS lies a potent and efficient 313 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a balance of accessible power and fuel efficiency. BMW's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the thrill of adventure riding. The G310 GS's engine provides enough performance for urban commuting, highway cruising, and off-road escapades, offering a versatile platform for riders to explore various riding scenarios. 3. Lightweight and nimble handling. Crafted for lightweight and nimble handling, the BMW G310 GS provides riders with a responsive and agile experience. The bike's compact dimensions and agile suspension contribute to stable and confident handling on both paved roads and off-road trails. The G310 GS's nimble handling adds to its versatility, allowing riders to confidently navigate through city traffic and explore diverse terrains with ease. 4. Comfortable ergonomics for long journeys. Designed for comfort and extended journeys, the G310 GS features rider-friendly ergonomics. The bike offers an upright seating position, adjustable windscreen, and well-padded seat, ensuring riders can embark on adventures without discomfort. BMW's commitment to rider comfort makes the G310 GS not only an adventure-ready machine but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and extended rides. 5. Integration of advanced features. The 2024 G310 GS seamlessly integrates advanced features to enhance the overall riding experience. Full LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the G310 GS's rugged charm. BMW ensures that the G310 GS remains technologically advanced, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of adventure styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW G310 GS stands as a global icon of entry-level adventure excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its adventure-ready design, potent single-cylinder engine, lightweight handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of advanced features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether conquering city streets, cruising on highways, or exploring off-road trails, the G310 GS encapsulates the spirit of BMW's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level adventure excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, exploration, and the joy of conquering diverse terrains, the 2024 BMW G310 GS rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.